भारत माता की जय! वंदे मातरम!
एट 8:41 हमने समिट चढ़ना स्टार्ट कर लिया है। रास्ता स्लिपरी और पत्थर वाला है। वो दिख रही है, वो हमारी कैंप साइट है जहाँ से हमने समिट चढ़ना चालू किया है नीचे की ओर। ऐसे ही हम पहाड़ चढ़ते रहे, स्टीप स्लोप क्लाइंब करने के बाद प्लेन रास्ते पर भी मजे लेते रहे और व्यूज को एंजॉय करते हुए आगे बढ़ते रहे। हिमालय की यात्रा का एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है जिसको हम महसूस कर रहे हैं, पर वो चीज़ शब्दों में बयां नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जिसके पॉजिटिव या स्पिरिचुअल पावर से हम कंटिन्यूअसली 4 साल से एवरी विंटर हिमालय आ रहे हैं। और ऐसा ही एक एग्जाम्पल मिला जो हमारे से भी ज़्यादा पैशनेट है और ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है हिमालय को। During the trek, we found one of the trekker who is from Belgium. So, what's your name?
Peter.
Peter. Okay, and
From
you are
Belgium, but settled down in India, in Tamil Nadu for 22 years.
22 years. Oh, it's a
Founded
very
the
long.
Chennai Trekking Club, a big trekking organization in South. But since 3 years, quit my job and now roaming most of the year in the Himalayas.
What is your passion? What's your passion?
Passion is nature, right? So much of positivity here, physically and mentally. So currently I'm on a 4-month winter mission, exploring the entire Uttarakhand, mostly the lesser known places.
Yes, yes.
But you are running on short. Don't you feel cold?
Oh no, I mean the main thing is to keep the upper body warm. And I go very fast, I cover like 30 kilometers per day, so the body gets warm with speed.
It's a very good achievement.
It's nice to see some people
So,
after
if-
2
Yes,
days.
yes.
India.
How was the experience in India? What about the people and what about the cultural?
Yeah, I mean Uttarakhand especially is amazing, right? It's so beautiful and the people are so friendly. Many times I end up in small hamlets high up in the mountain and hospitality is heartwarming.
Okay.
People give you tea, foods,
Yes, yes.
bucket of hot water.
Very helpful people.
It's amazing actually. Uttarakhand is
Actually,
is a different
Uttarakhand
world.
is called land of God,
Land of gods.
Correct.
and so many cultural and old history is linked with Uttarakhand. And in India, you can enjoy every kind of season. Like you go in western part, you can enjoy summer also. Yeah, so India is a mix.
It's a country of the festival.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of marriages also last month in November.
Okay. Have you visited Gujarat?
Yeah, Gujarat. I've been to Rajasthan, not Gujarat yet.
Okay,
I
Rajasthan.
need to visit the desert ones.
Yes, yes.
This is first time in winter actually. I used to come in summer mostly to the Himalayas, but winter is like a totally different world. It's amazing. It's overwhelming. It's like
Yes. Okay.
something.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice
Thank you,
meeting you
Mr.
guys.
Peter.
Nice.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
You guys are just going up or you're going to Brahmatal?
No, we are going to Brahmtal.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our group. We are actually family of 11 persons.
Wow.
So we are all are taking. My wife is also there.
Amazing.
My brother-in-law and his fiancée. He's my big brother.
Nice.
He's a 40-year-old. So we are just family, and this is our 4th consecutive year we are doing winter trek.
That's amazing, right? As a family.
Last time we did Kedar Kantha. That was very amazing trek, and it was tougher than this. This was very good.
It's 4,000 meters, so super, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
हम फाइनली पहाड़ों के सामने स्ट्रगल करते पहुंचे समिट पॉइंट पर, जहां पर हमको अमेजिंग व्यू मिला। जो समिट पॉइंट है वहाँ से ब्रह्मताल लेक नीचे की ओर लेफ्ट साइड पर है, बट हैवी स्नोफॉल और सेफ्टी रीजंस से हमने उसके दूर से ही दर्शन किए। और समिट से रिटर्न होते हुए हमारी मस्ती और स्नो फाइट्स वापस से चालू हो गई। डे 4 का जो ट्रैक है वो लगभग 7 किलोमीटर के आसपास का है और स्नो होने के रीज़न से थोड़ा सा टफ भी है। और जो स्लोप है वो भी अच्छा खासा है, जहाँ पर आप थकान भी महसूस कर सकते हो। बाकी हवाएं यहाँ पर तेज़ और बेहद ही ठंडी चलती रहती है, जो आपके हाथ पैर को सून भी कर सकती है। ऐसे ही स्नो कैप्ड माउंटेन और ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज़ को एंजॉय करते हुए हम रिटर्न होने लगे तैलांडी कैंप साइट पर।